Hey y'all, Jack times 2. We are gonna be showing you. Hold on, a moment of spinniness. A moment of spinniness.
Jack, let me talk.
Okay,
shut up your mouth.
It's pretty awesome.
Okay, look, guys. As maybe if you know, Jack didn't know because he's a loser. But this is Devin Hester. Okay, as you may know, he's probably one of the best kick returners in the world, like Everest, and he is a wide receiver now. Shh. You see, he's a wide receiver, though. I don't know why, but I have him playing cornerback because Madden 11 says that he's really good, so I just have him put his cornerback. I don't know why. So watch this. You know, that's, I don't know who that is. I don't really care. But watch this play, okay, guys? He's a wide receiver. Keep in mind. Wide receiver. So then suddenly, boom! Wide receiver interception. Except the wide receiver caught it. And then what's even better, Devin Hester pick 6.
I don't think so.
You have seen Devin Hester kick return touchdowns and punch return touchdowns, but you have never seen before a Devin Hester interception return for a touchdown. Bye.
Cameras. Oh, wait, no, I don't want to end it.
Okay. What?
Brisk.
Ha ha ha.
Bye.